Rachel, good to have you. What did you want them to know, and what is your takeaway from this latest run-up, particularly in AMC?
Well, thank you for having me this morning. You know, the way that we're looking at it from the perspective of the everyday investor is that the meme stocks themselves aren't needing additional regulation as long as they're disclosing the risks to investors. And honestly, AMC's filing this week is just full of caveats that basically amount to them telling investors, don't buy our stock right now. So I'm not sure that additional regulation of the financial, of the stocks themselves are what's needed. It's really more additional regulation of the financial markets, because with this amount of volatility, we're finding that there's a loss in confidence, and that could result in a loss of participation in financial markets, which, just harms everyday investors. So, we're looking at what we can do to add brakes to things like the high-frequency trading that's just acting as an accelerant on these types of stock bubbles.
Yeah, although in this name in particular, I guess, AMC, Rachel, and feel free to disagree. I mean, it does seem to be the Reddit mob to some extent. I'm looking at my Twitter feed here. It's just about buy it, keep pushing it higher, keep pushing it higher. Nobody really discusses fundamentals in any real way, because if you were to do so, you most likely have to make an argument that the stock should be worth a great deal less.
That's very true. I mean, AMC themselves is saying that their market price doesn't reflect any dynamics related to their underlying business or the industry fundamentals as a whole. And so the way that I'm looking at it is, what more can you ask of a company when issuing stock? Like, the company's disclosing that, look, we're in a bubble here, and we're just trying to reduce the cost to us of getting additional capital to fund the functioning of our business. The problem here is not that we have these run-ups. I mean, there's going to be run-ups whether there's Redditors or not. The problem is when there are other forces within the market, like high-frequency trading, that really make the whole situation astronomically worse.
Rachel, can we say yet whether we have this new class this new generation of retail traders, retail investors, day traders that are in the market and likely not to go away?
Well, I mean, it's a little difficult to say that. This started since January, and I know that we all kind of feel like time has sped up since the pandemic. But I think you need a little bit more time before you call it a new class of investors. What I'm definitely seeing is smaller investors feeling like power's out of balance in the financial markets, and that large hedge funds and institutional investors are the only ones who win. And I got to tell you that, over a decade ago, it was that same sentiment that started the ESG, or the sustainable investing revolution, that we're in now. So I wouldn't underestimate them, but I think it's too early to call it a trend.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.